All right, you're going to Disney, you got everything linked into your My Disney Experience account, and you've made your park reservations. So now what? Well, we want to dive a little bit further into the app and talk about dining, Enchanting Extras, special ticketed events, Magic Bands, Memory Maker, all the little things that are gonna make your trip even that much more special. And we want to make sure that you know how to use the app. Stay with us and we're going to show you how. Hello, and welcome to the Smart Moms Plan Disney YouTube channel, where we ask the question, why plan alone? As of November 2022, dining reservations can be made 60 days prior to arrival. Reservations can be made right in the app or on the website starting at 5:45 a.m. If you're working with a travel agent, they can do this for you as part of their free services. But you might want to know how to use the app or the website so that you can look at your options. Let's go take a look at how to do that. You're going to go to your My Disney Experience account. You're going to come down here to reserve dining. And you can filter this any way you like. So by the day, the time of day, meals, put in your party size, even infants, and they have all sorts of filters. So you can see here, any kind of dining, any kind of cuisine, you can shop by price range. There are no dining plans currently available, and you can also click here if you have somebody who needs to remain in their wheelchair and ECV. If you know the name of the reservation you're looking for, you can come up here to the search button, type in what you're looking for. Topolino's is my absolute most favorite place to eat, especially for breakfast. It'll give you a lot of information. You can view the menu, you can view pricing, and you can check availability here for that specific restaurant. In the app, you're going to go to the plus sign, check dining availability, enter your party size, including infants, choose your day, the time you would like to dine, and any options available will come up. Choose the time that you would like. And on the next page, you can book that. In order to make your dining reservation, you will need to enter a payment method. You can do that under My Disney Experience in your profile and payment methods, or you can add it when you go to make your dining reservation. To cancel or modify an existing reservation, come to your My Disney Experience account and go to My Plans. Scroll down, find your reservation, and you can change or cancel it right here. To cancel or modify a dining reservation in your app, you're going to go to the three lines, you're going to go to Future Plans, click on your dining reservation, and you can cancel it right here. Here's a pro tip. If you need to cancel your reservation close to your dining time, come in here to change reservation. And modify your date and time to a later date, and then cancel it, and you won't be charged the cancellation fee. Enchanting Extras are fun tours and dining and experiences that you can add on to your Disney vacation. A travel agent can get these booked for you, but if you'd like to look at your options, you can find those in the app or on the website. Let's go take a look at how to do that. To see what's available with the Enchanting Extras collection, come to your Disney account under Things to Do, Enchanting Extras collection, and it will give you all your options and there are a lot. You can also filter them by availability, location, and other filters here, category, age, interest, prices, and accessibility. And you can scroll down and see all your options and decide what you would like for your family, and you can click on them and make your reservations. Your travel agent can also do this for you. If you already know the experience you would like, if you have a little one who would enjoy the Bippity Boppity Boutique, you can just search it by name and it'll take you right there. And you can look at options and pricing and everything that you need to know. Most Enchanting Extras do require a credit card and prepayment for reservation. To find Enchanting Extras in the app, go to the magnifying glass, type in Enchanting Extras. If you scroll down, view a list of currently available. And it'll show you all of your options here with pricing. And if you click through, you can check availability. Disney also offers some specially ticketed events throughout the year. Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party is a top pick, but you can check out the website or the app on what's available when you're traveling. And be sure to check with your travel agent because they can get those tickets booked for you. Let's go take a look. If you want to experience even more magic at Disney, you might like to go to a special ticketed event. Go to the homepage on the Disney site under Parks and Tickets and All Tickets and Passes. Be sure to check with your travel agent because we might be able to help you with your purchase. You have parties and after-hour events and water park tickets, so many amazing options. To find special ticketed events in your My Disney Experience app, click here, type in the name, and buy event tickets. Once you have your special tickets purchased, you might be able to link them into your My Disney Experience account. Come to this page under My Disney Experience and click My Plans. You're going to scroll down to Park Tickets and Link Tickets. And you're going to enter the confirmation number here and you'll be all set. Once you link your special event tickets via the My Disney Experience website, you can come into your app and under Future Plans, you will see those tickets linked here. If you stay at a Disney resort, you might want to order a discounted Magic Band. Magic Bands make it easier to enter the park, your room, it helps to make purchasing easier, and it helps to get your memory maker pictures. Let's take a look how to find and purchase them in your Disney account. Okay, who's ready to order some Magic Bands? You're gonna come to your My Disney Experience account, go to My Magic Bands and Cards, you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna see your upcoming trip with the people that you're going with, and you're gonna get started. And you can choose a Magic Band for each guest here. And it's gonna give you all of their different options. It's gonna tell you the prices. And these will change over time, but you wanna make sure that you get your order in at least a month before your trip. And you can filter them up here. If you purchase a Magic Band outside of your Disney account, you're gonna need to link it to your Disney account. Sounds pretty complicated, but it's actually really easy. Some call it Disney Magic. Let's see how to do it. If you have a Magic Band that you purchased and would like to link to your account, you can come to your My Disney Experience account, Go to Magic Bands and Cards. Scroll down. You're going to want to go to Link a Magic Band. Scroll down. Select Magic Band. This shows you that there's a number on the Magic Band. You can see that here. And you're going to take that and enter it right here, and it will do its Disney magic and link your Magic Band to your account, and everything will be all set for you when you arrive at Disney. To link your Magic Bands in the app, go to the 3 lines, Magic Bands and More. Link a Magic Band. With the newer Magic Bands, you have the option to tap. With the camera, if you get a card from one of the cast members with photos on them, you can scan a QR code. Or if you have an old Magic Band that needs to be linked, you can take the number on the back, enter here, and link it up. To find your Magic Bands in the app, click these 3 lines, scroll down to Magic Bands and More, and follow the prompts here. Let's look at Memory Maker, also known as PhotoPass. If you purchase this as part of your vacation package, it's automatically linked to your Disney account. If you purchased it separately, you're going to need to link it. You'll also want to know how to find your photos and download them when you get home. Definitely do that within 45 days of getting home so you don't lose them. To find Memory Maker, come to the main page, go to My Disney Experience and My Photos. Everything you need will be right here. You can find information on the PhotoPass. You can view your gallery of any photos and pictures that were taken in the park. Will show up right here. If you did not purchase PhotoPass or Memory Maker in advance and you get a picture taken in the park, the cast member will give you a card with some information on it, and you can link those photos here. And this has photo products over here. And when you get home, if you have purchased Memory Maker, all of your photos and videos will be right here, and you can download them and they're yours to keep. To find your Memory Maker photos, come to the 3 bars, Photos, and you'll see all your photos here. Click on one and download it to activate your Memory Maker. Stay tuned for our next video where we show you how to use the app while you're at Disney. And that includes Genie, Genie Plus, Lightning Lane, mobile ordering, transportation times, and more. Be sure to click like and subscribe so you continue to have all the information you need to have your best vacation. Do you already have a travel agent from our sister company, Smart Moms Travel? Then you are in good hands. If you don't and you have any questions about this video and would like help planning your next vacation, click on the link in the description.